Are you trying to figure out how to turn your AI knowledge into money? You're not alone. Many of us have felt that way. In fact, I've been there myself. How do I take all this knowledge and turn it into a business, into something that actually can help me pay the bills? Well, this week, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that in what I call my rapid stack training. Instead of teaching you a ton of new AI tricks, we're going to teach you how to take that knowledge that you already have and turn that into income. There's a simple system we follow. It's my rapid system. I'm going to explain it all to you. I'm going to walk through it. I'm going to give you some new AI tools to help you plan that process. But we're going to begin with an interview that's going to walk you through and help you identify what skills and experience do you have? What knowledge do you have that you can leverage into a way to make money with AI? So if you've been trying to figure that out, trying to figure out how do I make money with AI? How do I make more money with AI? How do I take all this knowledge and turn it into something that pays me back? Make sure to join me this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for Rapid Stack. I promise you, it's going to be an amazing training, and you're going to get time with me to share all the things that you've learned and to learn how to turn that into something that you can monetize and make money with. I hope to see you there. Again, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Click down below and grab your seat now. Oh, by the way, you get the full replay. So even if you can't make it live every day, do it now. Save $50 because the price goes up after the training.